Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, y'all, we are going to be trying another new product, and this product also claims to contain frizz, to control frizz, to rescue frizz. And if you've seen my last video, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. If you don't, I will have it linked up above so you can check it out after this one. But for this particular video here, y'all, we are going to be trying out CURLSMITH's new Frizz Control line. I believe there are 4 products in the line. I'm not for certain, but I only got 2 of the products. The 2 products that I got were the Frizz Control Duo Conditioner, and I got the Frizz Rescue Curl Retainer, which is the styler. So I have already pre-pooed my hair, and I used the Bond Curl Rehab Solve by the CURLSMITH strengthening line, this right here. And then I went in and I shampooed with the Core Strength shampoo from the strengthening line. And I deep conditioned with Mish's Strengthen Protein Moisture Balance Deep Conditioner. And as you can see, it is empty. So look forward to an empties video coming soon. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on the products that I've been using and that I've been completing. So let's just go ahead and get into the products that I'm going to be testing out for you today. So like I said, I did get the Frizz Control Duo Conditioner. This conditioner can be used as a rinse out conditioner as well as a leave-in conditioner. Love that. I will say that as a rinse out conditioner, it was not that moisturizing for my hair. I did shampoo my hair twice with the strengthening shampoo, so it did give my hair a stripped feeling. But like I said, this did not really add in a lot of moisture to my hair. So after I rinsed the conditioner out, I went in with my deep conditioner to give me that extra moisture back that I needed. So after I rinsed out my deep conditioner, I went in with this conditioner again as my leave-in, and it is currently in my hair now, and that is why I have this cap on, just to keep the moisture inside. So let's just go ahead and see what my hair looks like with the leave-in in. And I will say that this cap has been on for about maybe 20 minutes. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like, and it is still soaking wet, y'all. Okay, so this is what we are looking like. My hair looks really shiny, even though, you know, it is still like really wet, but it looks very, very shiny. And I definitely have a definition. Hair looks really good. And let me just tell y'all that these products smell amazing. Like, listen, smells just like a tropical paradise. Like, if you love scents and you love CURLSMITH, like, just go ahead and get the products. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what this Frizz Rescue Curl Retainer is going to do for my hair. So if you are not new to my channel, you know that I do like to start in the back and work my way up to the front when I do my wash and goes. So today will be no different. So I'm just gonna go ahead and section my hair really quick, and we are gonna see what this curl retainer, like, some of these names, y'all, just really make me chuckle. But before we go in with the curl retainer, I want to show you guys what the conditioner looks like. That's what we got right here. It looks very thick, but it is really not that thick. Like, it is really light. And we're just going to go ahead and put the rest on my hair. And like I said, y'all, it smells amazing. But with just that leave-in conditioner alone, y'all, and with my hair being as wet as it is, like, that definition is on point. But with my hair, y'all, I cannot just use a leave-in conditioner and expect my hair to last 3, 4, 5 days. I need something stronger, something with a better hold to hold those curls. And this curl retainer has a hold level of a 6. Okay, so let's just go ahead and see if it has a seal on it. It does not. The leave-in conditioner did have a seal though. All right, so let's go ahead and see what this curl retainer looks like. Okay, so it's like a milky type color. It looks pretty. It smells good, y'all. Ugh. Y'all, it smells so good. I'm trying to tell you, it smells really, really good. But it has like a little cloudy white color to it. Let's see, it does have some stickiness to it. I wouldn't say tacky, but it does have some stretch to it. That's a good word. It does have some stretch to it. But yeah, this is what we're looking like. And as I rub it in my hand, it does feel like it has like a thickness to it. Maybe like on a scale of thickness from 1 to 5, I would say maybe a 2. But let's just go ahead. I'm going to rub it in and I'm going to put it on this back section. Ooh. Now, as I am adding it, like, it has a really, really slippery consistency. It is really clumping my curls really good too, y'all. All right, so that's that first section. Let's see if it's gonna control my frizz. So that's good right there. That looks really good. So it is taming the frizz so far. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get some more and put it on that other section. And I'm not gonna get that much this time. And I will say that when I touch this section, it already feels like it's starting to dry, like it already has the hold starting to form. Interesting. Okay, so I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to go ahead and style the rest of my hair, and when I'm done, I'll come back and show you guys my wet results. An absolute rock star of a styler, this non-sticky jelly will provide perfect definition to your curls, coils, or waves. Not only does Curl Retainer provide frizz reduction by 79% for up to 72 hours, but it also helps define your curls with a medium hold without any stiffness or crunch. This is all thanks to our special tri-oil recipe, which includes sunflower, watermelon, and argan oils. These oils work together to create an invisible coat to the hair to prevent absorption of water and reduce frizz, leaving curls feeling soft, shiny, and healthy looking. This styler is truly complete with a refreshing scent of mango, papaya, citrus, and aloe. I also wanted to go ahead and tell you guys a little bit more about the Duo conditioner. This conditioner duo will revolutionize your curl routine. This dynamic duo can be used as a nourishing rinse out conditioner or a detangling and smoothing leave-in conditioner, or both. The secret to this formula's effectiveness lies in its balanced combination of black currant seed oil and coconut butter. These ingredients are known to be rich in omegas 3, 6, and 9, which work together to replenish your hair's lipid content and form a light film that helps to seal the cuticles. The result is an anti-knot detangling action with lasting smoothness and shine. Say goodbye to bad wash days and hello to beautiful locks with an aroma of juicy mangoes and papaya nectar. Okay, y'all, so I'm done adding the curl retainer to my hair. It definitely has retained and captured my curls. Um, as far as the frizz control, we shall see. My hair does look a little voluminous right now. Um, so like I always say, the true test is when my hair completely dries. And I do have my diffuser here, so I'm going to diffuse my hair. Once my hair is completely dry, I'll come back and let you guys see what my hair looks like and, you know, see what we're working with. Okay, y'all, so my hair is completely dry after diffusing, and this is what my hair is looking like. I will say that I filled a pretty good hold on my hair. It's not a crunchy hold, but it is a really good hold. I will also say that there's a good bit of volume than what I'm used to on day one of my hair. But the definition is there. I will say though that this part right here is a little frizzy already. And this part right here, and I had to look at the name of the line again, and it does say Frizz Control and it says Frizz Rescue. Doesn't say anything about anti-frizz or no frizz or frizz free, at least not on these two products. So we're gonna see how this wash and go turns out after a couple of days maybe, and see, you know, when the frizz starts to creep in. But what I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and put satin scrunchies on my hair and stretch my hair and put my bonnet on, and then I'll come back tomorrow, take all that stuff off, and then I'll show you guys what my day one results look like. Okay, y'all, so it is the next day and this is what my hair is looking like, and I am sorry to report that we have flakes. Flakes are just floating all around. It's not like a snowstorm, but it is, you know, a good bit of flakes floating around. So let's go ahead and take this side down. I'm not sure if it's showing up on camera, but they're there. Now I will say that as I am separating, like, I still smell the smell of the product like pretty heavily. It doesn't bother me. I think it smells amazing. But if you are very sensitive to scents like that, then I'm not sure if this, you know, if this gel would be for you. So that is definitely a con about this gel or curl retainer. However, the pros, my hair feels really good. My hair feels very manageable. And I do like the volume. As far as the claims about, you know, it controlling frizz or it rescuing frizz, I mean, it tamed some of it, but I wouldn't say that it tamed all of it. And with me getting the flakes, like, I feel that that is telling me that you really don't need a lot of this product, and it may be geared more to like finer textures, more like wavy or curly, not like coily or kinky type hair. But that's just my opinion. And I kind of wish that they would have come out with this like right before the summer or the beginning of summer, so we could truly test out how good it controls the frizz, like with the humidity and everything. So that is pretty much it for this video. Comment down below and let me know if you have tried any of the products from the CURLSMITH's new Frizz Control line, and what your thoughts are about them. Also, if you got all of the products in the line, or just a few of them, there is also a serum, and I believe, I'm not 100% sure, that the serum would go on after you apply the curl retainer. But like I said, I did not purchase that one. And also go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you would like me to do a comparison between this curl retainer and this aqua gel here that I have from their strengthening line. I did try this like a while back, but I cannot remember what I thought about it. I do have a review on this whole line. I'll have that linked up above, so you can check that out after this one. But yeah, like this video and then comment down below if you'd like to see a comparison between these two gels. This one is more of a lighter hold. This one has a hold of 5, while this one has a hold of 6. So yeah, if you're curious to see how these compare, let me know. And if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so before you go. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Okay, I just wanted to come back in and show you guys what my day 2 results are looking like. So the volume is like really there, like the volume is voluming, but I will say that it is frizzy, and it didn't really control my frizz on my type of hair. And also there are still flakes flaking and falling. I'm pretty sure you can see them on my shirt and probably in the air as well. So I just wanted to, you know, jump back in really quick to show you guys, you know, my hair on day 2. And let me just say that I don't think that you really need to be in a rush to try this line, but if you do want to try it, definitely try it, but just don't be in a rush. Okay, thanks again for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.